Now, for the networking itself, what I do is I like to follow something called a baseball diamond, and this kind of creates a method that I can follow for my networking, so I don't have to just show up and be like, "Hey, how's it going? Hi, nice to meet you." Blah blah blah, because I'm very bad at that, and so I prefer to have a method, and not just risk showing up and not knowing where to go or what to do, and just looking there awkward and pulling my phone out and pretending I'm busy because I don't know what to do. So I do what I call the baseball diamond. So for those of you who don't know or aren't familiar with it, this is what a baseball diamond looks like. You start off at home base, the home plate, which is the one closest to you, and then you start running to the right to first base. And then from there you turn left and then you run to second base. And then once again you turn left again, you run to third base, and then all the way back to home. And that's what's called a home run. And anyway, just keep in mind this baseball diamond. So when you arrive at a networking event, it'll look something like that. Let's say you arrive and there are all these people who are talking in groups or hanging out and basically networking. And so what I like to do is when I arrive, I see something like this, I overlap this baseball diamond and I decide, okay, right now I'm arriving. So home plate is kind of the entrance to the venue or whatever it might be. And right off the bat, I'm going to go to first base. And whatever that is, that direction, I just head there. And so here in this example, you see two guys talking over a laptop. I'll probably just head on over there and talk to them. And we'll get a bit more into what to talk about later on. But for now, I just want to talk about this methodology. That's what I do. I talk to them, hopefully exchange a couple business cards, so I can help achieve my goal. And then I go to second base and I do the same thing in that group over there. Once I can do the same thing, then I go over to third base and I do something over there, and then I come back to home. And what I like about this is home also tends to be where the entrance is, so I can catch people who are coming in, going out, and that can also be sort of a conversation starter. And obviously at each point along each one of these bases, I try to keep my goal in mind so I can keep exchanging business cards or shaking hands or whatever it might be.